What's up, my beautiful party people? It's Tony Phoenix checking in. Yes, I'm in my garage. Don't judge me. I will be outside, but it's raining like a mug. Ooh, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's two of them. Whoa. Anyways, just checking in because I got a new video. I have been gone for a while, y'all. Life happens, happens to the best of us. But I'm big and I'm better. First of all, let me just start off by saying this is really funny because I just lit an incense, and if you guys have been following me on Instagram, you know that orange has been my color lately, and I didn't even pay attention to the pack that I pulled out. I just pulled it out and lit it, and I looked down and it just happened to be the incense from the orange pack. But this is an unboxing video, my first one. I was really trying to wait to make more videos until I get my camera, but Spirit was like, don't limit yourself or hold yourself back. Your camera gonna come when it comes. So I have a really exciting video for y'all today. I have an unboxing video. Ooh. So for those of you who don't know, 444, bro, look at that. For those of you who don't know, I just recently purchased some tarot cards. The Wild Unknown deck by Kim Cranes. Yes, I am going to start doing intuitive card readings for others, but no time soon. I have to practice on myself. I have to know my cards. I have to just get to know a whole lot more before I start doing it with other people, because I don't want to steer anybody wrong or fuck up anybody else's life. Like, if I fuck up my own life, cool, but I'm not doing that to nobody else. So, here we go. We about to do an unboxing. We're gonna use the pen. So, before I get to that, it's so pretty. I did bring out my babies to sit with me, and I do have an incense burning. My orange citrine. This computer's been through a lot, and I've only had it for like less than 6 months. My amethyst, obviously everybody's familiar with amethyst. And this is, somebody told me that it was pink calcite, but I really think it's rhodonite. Dun, dun. Look at it. Look at it. Take it all in. Yes. The wonderful, wonderful. It's gorgeous, isn't it? I'm so excited. Oh, so excited to get this thing. Oh, and look at that. It was already ready for me. I didn't even have to take it out. I mean, I have to get the scissors out. Alright, I'm really excited, guys. Like, I know the lighting is really bad. I probably should turn the light on, but it's like, we've been filming this far. Might as well keep going. So, again, this is the Wild Unknown Tarot Deck and Guidebook by Kim Cranes. She also has a animal spirit deck that my sister Brianna has, and she did a reading on me when I went to California for spring break. I'm going to purchase that deck as well. I think, I told myself I was going to purchase a different deck every month, but that was something that I said for myself. That probably isn't what Spirit has for me. There are about 5 other decks that I want to get, though, and I know for sure that those are for me to get. And of course, when I get those, I will do more unboxing videos. But, so here is the box. Y'all don't understand how excited I am right now. The Wild Unknown Tarot. Here's the back. It has the 4 different suits. And okay, so can't really see. So open that bad boy up, and it says, "May you always be on the inner quest. Yes, ever evolving. Period. If If you're not always evolving every day, being better than the next day, something's wrong. So here we have the tarot guidebook, and then there's the little string. So before we even look at the cards, let's just really, I'm probably more excited than y'all are, obviously. But let's just take a look at this masterpiece. Again, on the back it has the 4 suits. The Wild Unknown Tarot Guidebook. It's actually a really nice size. Like, if I have a notebook that I write all my stuff in, it's actually like a really nice size guidebook. It's not one of those little small ones. That's how you know it's got some good stuff in here. I'm like so excited, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. So here's this. Let's see what it says. In the contents, there's a drawing the tarot section, and then understanding the deck. She does go ahead and explain the major arcana and the minor arcana. She also has reading the cards. So I mean, it's actually like a pretty in-depth book. It does go, she, you know, explains everything for you, so you're not just out here willy-nilly. But also, you should have done your own research, and, you know, watched videos or been to an actual reading, you know, just so you can get a feel for it before you start to mess around on your own. I really like this. I really like that. And then, so, here's like the wands. And then here are the cups, and then the swords, and then we have the pentacles. Definitely did her thing. Like, it's got a lot of really great reviews. And the crazy thing about this deck is, like, I'm a very intuitive person. Like, I'm all about good. I'm all about listening to that inner voice, my higher self, all that. So when I was on Amazon looking for my cards, this was the first deck that showed up, and I felt it calling me. I heard it. It was just like, I knew it was for me. But even though I'm all about my intuition, I don't really like picking the first thing I see, because I be wanting to give myself a chance to feel other stuff. And I went through about 30 different cards. None of them was it. And then I was like, okay, you know what? Let me stop being disobedient to spirit. Let me just listen and surrender and go back to the cards that I felt the first time. Listen to me, honey. When I started doing my review on the cards, my research on the cards, like reading the reviews, watching the videos, and I actually went to her website and I read about her. Then I went on her Instagram page, and I just started seeing all the stuff she was posting. I was like, oh yeah, this is definitely for me. So now we get into the cards or whatever. Of course, I love this cute little. That did not just happen for real. Look at when you open the card. Look at it. When you take the cards out. Look at what's right there. The infinity sign. That is my logo, forever evolving. Like, I'm gonna get that tatted eventually. So we got our little dicky dick or whatever. The Wild Unknown Tarot. And it's just so cute, and it's full of life, and it's full of color. Again, you have the 4 suits on the back. It's just, oh, for y'all who don't know, okay, so cup, obviously, wand, obviously, sword, obviously, pentacle, obviously. It's not obvious to people that don't know these things, but it has some cute little message on the inside. Let's see what it says. Welcome to the Wild Unknown Tarot. You'll find no wrong or rights inside this box, only mirrors for reflection. Open your mind, draw a card, and have fun on your journey. That's exactly what I've been doing lately, having fun on my journey. The first card is the beautiful Ace of Wands. And just look like the detail and the color. And, oh, again, there we go. Our infinity sign. But the detail and the coloring is gorgeous. Like, and the card stock is beautiful. It's like an actual sturdy card. The deck is a nice size. Like, you can actually shuffle the cards really well. Like, oh my god, let's go through these. These colors are gorgeous. Two of Wands, Three of Wands, like, and this is what the back looks like. It's almost like, it puts me in the mind of snake skin. Even if it's not what she intended for it to be, I'm gonna say it's snake skin. Particularly, the reason why I'm gonna say it's snake skin is because, for those of you who don't know, snakes tend to shed their skin often. And for me, that kind of symbolizes a rebirth, you know, shedding of old layers, growing, evolving. And again, as like I've said before, I'm all about evolve. I'm all about growing. I'm all about doing new things, becoming a new and better person. So these cards are like phenomenal, really good. Let's go into, let's look at some cups. Oh, look, I promise you, all I did was take the deck off, and what do I have? A snake. A freaking snake. Is this okay? First of all, obviously, let's go ahead and read that, because obviously that's there for a reason. I didn't just talk about snakes and it pop up for no reason. So here's what it looks like in the guidebook. You have the card, and then you just have like a mini little description of it. Son of Wands, charming and adventurous. The Son of Wands is a true charmer. He's handsome and adventurous and seems to say all the right things. Some call him the White Knight of the tarot, but at some point you may find he becomes hard to know. Trust your instinct with this one perfection is an illusion. Trust your instinct with this one perfection. Oh, trust your instinct with this one perfection is an illusion. Okay. There's oh, maybe that was for me. I have OCD. I'm always trying to make stuff perfect, and this dot right here is really bothering me. And maybe I need to stop trying to be perfect, because perfection is an illusion. Damn, that was like spot the fuck on. Already? Already though? Like, what? That is so crazy. So yeah, like these, let's do the cups now. So here's an Ace of Cups, and there's a Two of Cups. Oh, look at the coloring, the detail, the art is just phenomenal. So I have the flash on because I just want you guys to be able to see, like, for yourselves how beautiful these cards are. Like, look at the color. Oh, that one doesn't have much color. But look at this. It's just really beautiful. Like, she definitely did her thing with these. Oh, look at it. We might need to read that one. Okay, hold on. So this is a Two of Pentacles. And if y'all been watching, y'all know I'm crazy about the infinity sign. So there is the picture. And there is the little description. Two of Pentacles. The Two of Pentacles signifies inevitable change. Yes, honey. Since the Pentacle suit relates to earthly possessions, this usually means a new job or financial situation or a move. Even if you fear this change, it needs to happen and might even be fun. Face it with the grace of a newly formed butterfly, a world of possibilities balanced upon your delicate wings. How on point this is already. And like, I ain't even trying to do a reading. I was just really unboxing and showing y'all. And is this a deer? If y'all been on my Instagram, then y'all know deers have been following me around. It's just crazy because I haven't even had the intentions on doing a reading. Honestly, I was just showing y'all the cards and unboxing, but apparently Spirit had something else. So I got a Son of Wands, a Two of Pentacles, and now I have a Father of Pentacles. So let's read that and see what it says. See what that says. This is so funny. Father of Pentacles, steady, entrepreneurial. Yo, what did Two of Pentacles just say? This means a new job or financial situation. And it's so crazy because my twin did a reading on me about a couple days ago, and it had something about entrepreneurship in there as well. Funny. It says the Father of Pentacles is a steady, gentle man. Upon first meeting, he can almost seem dull because of his extremely calm temperament. But underneath is an incredibly passionate man who prioritizes the stability of his job, family, and home. He is entrepreneurial and diligent at work. A true pleasure to know. I agree. I think I'm a true pleasure to know. It's just is amazing how like I wasn't even trying. Like I literally had no intentions of doing a reading right now. But Spirit knows better. So there's the Son of Wands, Two of Pentacles, Father of Pentacles. Like, yo. That's just amazing to me. It is. It's amazing to me how Spirit operates. So, I mean, I guess I don't really have anything else to say, you guys. Like, look how gorgeous this is. Daughter of Wands. Like, gorgeous. And again, it's that infinity symbol. I don't really have anything else left to say or do. Like, Spirit did it all. So I guess that's all we got. We got the deck. Come in this nice, beautiful little box. The guidebook. That came in, well, everything came in this beautiful box. Yeah, there's that. I love you guys. Peace, love, and hair grease. And as always, the marathon continues.